indirectly. Omo how say you put for the abroad. It is a work of wado. Work kutina UN. Now we see Sankofo. Did you see Joe Biden as the Ghanaian? Did you see Joe Biden as your opponent opposition party, John Mahama and the state Ukrαine and Co? And now who start stubborn academy Ghanaians so how can you tell this issue in the eyes of all this? You try to find ways and means so that at the stock market, people will buy and purchase the things that you take to the stock market to sell. What are you talking about? Brazil, US, Canada, they are not complaining. Are you the one to go and make this statement at the UN Assembly? Come on. Come again, Mr. President. Come again, Mr. President. Brabio. Now the Ghana food dia grow. The way you hon, and your Ghana food will go in my soul. Well, go one casta win massy as a learned person. And I will be anyone share the because we'll go in massy as a learned person. So it is the Bible that said itself. It is not all great men that are wise. And accept it. You are a great man. You have achieved a lot. You have become a lawyer. You are from a rich family. You are ruling the country. So it makes you great. But I think what the Bible said that not all great men are wise. It is true. It is really true. It is really true. Because Nebuchadnezzar was a great man, but wasn't wise. He was wise in his own ways, which is full of what? Kindness. And that is what you are doing, Mr. President. That is what you are doing. Wow. There's much that we will say. Ebusiafo na yesa to aso na me catch us say. Edwumaku a eso ya say enye obi ase ni tupi. Ni tupi say enkofo obi ama ni beko oche so ye de. Ema o na me na egu oru. Unyo ndi kaso bi. Aha I can say. Na maje osu say. Hey! I am here not talking for any political party. But I am talking as a youth of this country. And I am talking for the betterment of this country. It's when you are youth and you join this show. Now don't look me at the expense of a political party. No. Because we are the future. In the next 20 years, who are we size I will family? Who are we 30 years I will family? Let me tell you something. The next 20 years, it is our future. It is really our future. And how our generation is going to be. Up to now, the way forward of the betterment of this country has not been what? Approached. We be an old system now. And now you sikidi in Africa. Come on. Now say it should be so easy. It should not see your baba will be you say or job interview or a nursing student where we and a human. In the interview now work on a way the young to make and do fee it's yet in social media say there is a missing person. A missing person now investigation of course in our edge say a baba way a sister a boyfriend or yes of war. And the dear papa we are come on any be a woman to see. So on in date you, so on in a day young, yet you. A dear chieni a coche softway near Brimna, but there's a papa one or more channel, or one hinny being chained. Now, hinny no one in channel, and the Nima Colano, the whereabout. It's a collet whereabout, every so I kidnapping. But Kumo SCN and one it died the uncompleted building a can't a winning field. No way to Twamina, we say game and all ye prepare say, obey silly science. Any problem play a cassa at let and some will be a chen, a people in sound good properly. Obi nim, obi so ohene and I say, osofo credit yin dada. But let me tell you something. And then quotation am de to on and I say, and you will be a winning and the chance will nyansa. Okay? There is a whole lot that we need to talk about. Wait, a common young fool. Ye di omo toto ayenye e wo man we mu. There is some kind of view and now perception that what say wait what you're hearing on to me and yes sir. Wait what your politician send what you know want to me and yes sir. Boni e twiko bremani now everybody in the society needs to be taken as a suspect of every evil thing that is being accounted in the country. Kidnapping. So be to fear. Now we say sani pan oyedin pa. You're careful. Because me share near TV home. Na cap this month make account say. Papa way just close to the house. Baby I sitting na your no. Just close to that place. And when you papa way send kindness say you go to get no papa ni fear. And when you say a artisan, a rumors, and I am trying to so any edit to him so because he is such a quiet man in the community. It is a deal with the papa ya won't you did that. And I know be so any who gay, cast and you will say papa be the girl will buy you say ya, and I over her again. Yen teenage this and me. Be the real you when you're at home. Emma Ghana ne de obi edin osi when you are big pa onu no good. The quiet ones are the most wicked people in the society. The quiet ones are the ones that can do something to you and the world and the society, the family, the people around you will never believe. And the report about so say papa no so for na dia to say I girl no omo de ne kwa koye rituals. E say boy. Enya rituals. Empe ena omo de girl no e kwa koye. Enya ritual ena omo de girl no e kwa koye. Dabi. I say ya chi omo wie. Omo kum nipa na wie. They already know and they have judged in their heart. They will just go life imprisonment. It is our life imprisonment now. They will say something for people just to leave them so that they will go and rest. But say, Papa Nipa, Ebe can say, I have fainted, not because me papa is abonimo, but me papa is man is adam. Say me to eduane and come girl way. It ye me one say, me papa is a cool girl. Because me coin and me koto say ya cheche in bois. And fine. Me papa ne suma me said this something diane and come gay. It was on the permanence again. Girl no anani vanity as you say me papa ya ten out to me say akola ni kura abon shock. And onipa wo to na wo support ade we e Nigeria stand here kan. So what your software. See, let me tell you something. This is not the first time this thing has happened. Wait, and yet the first time I deal with Ashasi. And yet the first time. Atwaso. And some Nigerian man would link again at the man also on him. And idea oye. Yes, on him dear. Why you be playing cry? The bare person who say you tackle me is the Nigerian pastor now. Or no claims so your form. He needs to be well interrogated because any bonny way pay and with my. They do this from time to time in a comfortable manner that people knows nothing about. That rituals no kind. Waka e dey trust him also because he has been tired. Ebuana ya bro no akon no too much. But there is more to that issue. Okay, let me tell you something. What one here no? A bet to me about say. Also funny link again. Etima one here say on any trimpna. Baby, in the Africans of say, get now penny ebia and no repeal. And ebia in the province of all any dia peda and again no. It is a beba bon tipa and in bebuasino. And then I take it on or the ironesa because the oko disicavra and yet again if you on the because at all costs the cavro they also trinity or trying body part girl need a complete I will shuffle. There is more to this issue that must be interrogated. In some I was saying way Obia Babawa, the future and the destiny of this girl has been cut short by some stupid people in our society who claim to have names on them. And then, Papa you I know for Mudin, you see chief. You're trying to chief. You're trying to pastor. And when you miss summer, I will man Kasim drum. Any other places, a year going anyway, so won't do that. It is then a chance or anyway. Want to me end corruption. Want to me corrupt in the society. And put to our self cost was acronym. So anyway, or building a free not one manner I have bought our society. Then naturally, if he can be to the extent of this wickedness, then a chance on him will go to me and be say. They be a make catch them say foreigners now on my country way mono. Foreigners now on my back country way mono. They need to be well watched. And away and your police force said young pound. A yetimum phone in answer there. See, Canadians and Nigeria for Bahama. Ansana and mouth up fraud in browsing Babasu. Na Nigeria ni beba Ghana. Either say obeton phones. And now obeye business. Much of it. Na ya omuba adwenfini ente chenti no. Omutina the local communities aye wono. No mo ni e bimben. No mo ni e nena. And ebimu wale. Because bimu cry on my be so mo from cry mo nkoku. Ko bebre na ya omuba nye city no mu free o. They are from villages. And when you escape on one banty, they want to reside here. Normally Ghana Manawa. Then they reside here. They don't even think of going back. People know them as from Nigeria. From. Now browsing this idea friend fraud buy. Nigeria boys no so bad. They come into the local communities. But when sense na be brain free city of the Lagos city. How many guests name and then they go back to their country and establish there. Say, I bet you baby no. Ghana follow wow, send us out from West to Omufia no be a chuki, no ako. Mamu if you be say, Nigeria phone a lot of phone, a boo baby. It ni ako so money at you. In the coming years, some more one year got you. They say almost summer from Wadring. Now, this is what they do. Information me. Man kasama tenase magada and a madrin and mebu. Say Ghana and no maybe what because no any the fellow Ghanaians na you. So Ghanaian in a corporate is a Nigerian, a corporate is a foreigner. Say see omuba communities ni mo. They will come and rent and a dan no mo ye no. Omu pe dan a ehyehyɛ tokuro. Places that unfa omuni Ghanaians and diagro. And they have stopped being friendly to the Ghanaians. Omo to ade o se kini e different. And omo so mo ye game no. Na why omo nku na no mo ba ofie no. Sankofo no so wo. Omo ba they come and live in the efie no corner mu. No mo sure no ma rent down. And they are not friendly to anybody, even their landlord, their tenant. Omo no bi ankasa. No ma ba be 2, 3. Next time so many obi ankasa people don't question them. Omo ni obi free. And when it comes to their dressing, so much dress here. Ghana for ni be kwa omo suspect omo say ebia bibi say ni say no omo nye ska ana obi omo ye fraud omo nye ska ni ato omo suspect it omo betuma ba a whole month na Nigeria ni omo titi sada no they don't even well top no one way Italian kwan no share they pretend as if they don't have money. It will be say, oh, this is a struggling or a hustling Nigerians. It will dream and bomb so. It will be Nigeria no more free abano. A home and no more music no more from the brownstone, whatever they do in this country. Omodeko. It will more wow say. Omo today no more about 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Omo say na 3 day free. No more come back to Nigeria. So omo go Nigeria na. Eho ena omujujufuo no ewo eho ena omukomu yo mukwa omunyankomade ena eho so no mu make your properties it's their girlfriends their wives are at that place it's omukọ na jujura ne say omuya nyankomade a ebi omukọ nipa ena mombra omufa nipa part bi mbra they don't do it in Nigeria so when they come here no betina be in the months of 3 months na akra no ti a ba hye to kwan e de akọ e bi akoforidia okokoforidia akọ rent hotel na wa ye what enumire no ma ye what no ma chi obi ni etwa ne ti e de si kwam pa no ma safaka no ma background enti o hwe o machi a anti jaya ye hu ade ne chi na kwan da na bi a ye de share the people in the environs of koforidia if what I'm saying who nya aspect na na fe de omodi aba akra no and akra no me no omo live this kind of life it oba pe no oba ni nyankomade ama aduro am oye wi ade wunya e wo body no bia no no wa pe na okoso a onfa plane pa na wa faka Nigeria kan e fa osek no pa no de ko no akwa ni nyankomade enti Nigeria na ye nti no Ghana no so a ye nti no omo nyina oman wait a gist and amedema the intelligence of the Ghana police, the foreigners in this country. Say you nya sem and ya kwahemfo and no money ya kasa. Sa ahemfo na kasa e kum Ghana fo. Ahemfo no is son of all this evil. Say Ghana na yete no, ye live your life na say. Say osofo, ye di mo manu ya ayeden. Now so dey bia me kase emire bi na Elijah koka kire ken have say oman mu be de no o hye oba akunani no o se wo de aduane ensa wo fie da it no matter what the condition of this country ye won kofu bia ye be hia men of God bia ye be hia they will pray for us a community hardship dey ko oman no ye ntibi e bia wo nwe bi be politician a community koso wo kan no ye ntibi wo ntibi fine and also now see because our politicians pastors you and they are fond of all these evil deeds what do we have to do in this country they say why munchen e yenko why munchen ene yenko and na wo fo no kran so na awo mma no one ne yeri nya issue pe we kum ne yeri na wa tuto twitwa all kinds of evil stuff that is going in our community. Akadebia ebeka se eye youth no e na amiabre e na wo so mo yes anoma. The same painful that we are regarding them as a prominent and people who are highly respected in the society. Omo e no mo yes anoma we community. So what do we do now? Ese obi ti ufie, obi opanyi bia. Watch them twice. You see, I had to say one kasa abrabona obemu. Learn to be wise. My Bible ninya dia wosua. Ade bia wo gidi no sa ade no so muye. Because the people we regard them, they are now not even wise as much as we unwise we are as a youth. Issue we me person make go back to it. But we made the film okay. And dra ena police for penny or that CID for yes, so I retire. Now retire. Go share on the post of A plus what he has said about the police. That man alone, who beat us will be retired. No be to make up on a fan who say that. Me and a mama Okrαine. So on this page, Kobo A plus. Never on Nekoshe. Man, they retired from CID. Never how awful this man talked about him. And when you read it and you notice it, it is true. These are the things that is going on in our community. So who am I? Now we should Bọmb and now we should as a youth I will grow now open some free. One air for. Say no for air himful. 2, 3 air so 4 air say open politician be now wow in financial aspect. 5 say one chilo abrabom na bi obi that you go to the police. Your mind will any you say police for any police for be mu share say yes police for no suspect of the van robbery. Okay? So van robbery kuku sankofo bi amotiti en. They killed these people for a cover up. They killed these people for a cover up. Because oman boni bia police for nanka say what police ni mo di. Nka say police for ni na nyo. Uko police station obo wona aka otumi hu say ipa wonya position we aka yo nsubu say the person na wonya position wonye bako say they take cover up. Now say police need show it to me either say you do we ni be show come ebi wa boat for amani omunya ne say obi to one say boys ni fa boat na ebi mo di wish omo now we ni bia to kan say police want to no come ni mo asema chichi na ebe chi na omo so and get 1,006 it me kan ya be 500. These are the grievances of Ghanaians. And look at how awful A plus talk about this man. Meaning this man has lived his life without integrity. He has lived his life in a falsehood that pretended to be in a uniform of something that we call it service and integrity. But now it is not service and what? It is not service and integrity to the people of Ghana. But if I know to say, something to talk about later. And then Assembly Abba, the China former Minister of Justice has been sentenced to death for taking bribes worth $16 million. Yanchi Minister of Finance, our China. Yanchi Minister of Roads and Agriculture. Yanchi Minister of Energy. Yanchi Minister of Petroleum. Yanchi Minister Bia said you're fighting for justice for the people of China. Now the one. That's same way home. I'll say me nyamre. Na me kan wan sem ye pa. Now here. The man is a minister for justice. Where? On your obiao. Yan can be big. You see freedom. Ghana. Your coat of arms incident. Freedom and justice. Freedom ni be say. Menya Kwαine na metia. Na me to me bo by nature without any intimidation. That is my freedom. Freedom na me ni wan yan say. What to me soli anopa. Endi akoni aba at that time I will pay without a curfew. That is the freedom. Freedom amount to me can ya will pay. Freedom amount to me seeking for your rights in the country. It can be the social amenities, economical stability of the country. You can demand for it. Freedom need be said. You won't mind you. Now you per se. You demonstration against BPI. You didn't say we need right to it. It's not teachers for you, Juma. No one pay allowances there, they go on demonstration. Same applies to doctors. Same applies to any person in the public service. Freedom na ye wo man mu no, eno na ma ye ko according to that. Freedom no, na bia kwan amema me ne wo, yet to be a democracy. Kebi mami kebi amamuo. Yemfetuo embuman. Iti de ko bia o man mu no, though we find some errors and other evil stuff and what say you're right in a democratic country, but at all costs, democracy ye penti ye tuaba edi ye mampini bibienia e ya batwo iti akofo ado ti amamo yimu no wompa democracy right in it say to ni free so be dictator is when say was no won see na was say ye pe kwan na ye pe at all costs ye dey force ekotu akonya so. But there be freedom ni bi and this san no money na den aba freedom na you pet e wo man mu no and ama ya tro the constitution of Ghana and na constitution no actually be by freedom na me no kan yet from the rule of law and the rule of law no applies wo kofi mensa ama mososo abena wo pintin kofi apache Kwame amansam. There will be equality between you people. Obi a minister, obi a president, obi a politician at a high rank. So yeah, dear, freedom na one ever say we are to be regarded as equal people, no matter the rankings of what we are in the country Ghana. That is the freedom. Say justice in so say yama freedom no ewie obi ya the freedom o man e so enu bi say yama e freedom of speech na so obi kasa na ne kasa mu no atro aburo so ama na bedane threat to somebody. It is for justice to speak into na police abring enu di for the sake of justice so wo who better. So why now who expressing with freedom no? Ebia country be and pay with freedom. Ebia a terrorist be and pay with freedom. It is how they have established justice, and under the justice, you employ what? The court of law to fight for the justice of your what? Your right. Justice ni say, though we have the freedom. Na amamran tene papa koso ewo omam wa bokron no ai ma bokron no esa se kron na okobo e no e obi sika na okowia e iti ida se e beka cho se fa sani pan sika e den e koma se sika no wetumi afoma na yesekodebu. We are serving what? Justice. Police ni bi si obo ho bai justice na go for police ni ba yo say no be service right. But police in na eden wabu okumu e okoti kwan so aman na abaya eden achi no abaya chi no justice to be served right no e bia of police so prominent than you, but the justice of the country need to say justice must be served. Police no go tomra I will say e dey because justice now we yanti and the police no e dey eden abaya. But the problem here I can say a man who is a minister of justice in China has been arrested for collecting bribe. Should I say famudie na nkofo benya atentene ne be koso e wo China. Papa we have faculty kwan so interrupting all those justice affairs, and they are trying some from 2005. Listen, ya ten from 2005 and then 2022. Yachon, and he has been sentenced to death. And he now with $16 million. I will read this. He said the Chinese former Minister of Justice sentenced to death for taking bribes worth $16 million. a former justice minister, Fu Zengguan, has been sentenced to death for corruption involving 16 million worth a 2-year reprieve by a court in China. According to AA News, 67-year-old Fu Fun was found guilty by the Intermediate People's Court of Chang'an in the northeast China, Jilin province. The death sentence can be commuted for 2 years in prison. The court ruling stated, Fun, who served as justice minister between March 2018 and April 2020, was accused of taking advantage of his position between 2005 and 2021, including accepting bribes totaling more than 117 million yuan, about $16.76 million, and bending the law for personal gains. According to the report, the court stripped Fu of his political right for life and confiscated all of his personal property. Hey, who really has him making here? That's my or the Minister of Justice. Now, found there was a with China Edima China for ya Jeffrey same Adenya. The position what they are going in his what main what profit and our gains. Should I say obey the boni bi pao na papa ya ko hunu onim se ni paninti na wakaso di efesika bra ana onipa na bebrabe ni any other way na wachi na asem wo du mu se obi hu chire no onye di bi bre obi ni sikenti papa ya must justice to be served and the position no enyoma wo de e ko a free e ma 205 ebesi 2021 position bi e de ni to anu bia no even to the time of 2018 obey justice minister position bi e de ni to anu bia he interrupts the position that he has or looking or using that position for his personal gains. And he invested this man from 2005 to 2021 and Mra attempting a intermediate court in China action and you want to for one that the political right to free himself, two the personal properties he had himself. They said the unya in a court zero Adanya will be worth of $60 million. $60 million. Yes, Australia anybody in same. Sika bribes awa kodia yakeka bomwa amana be $60 million. When myself and baby I make kwabesi. We live in Ghana, a country that we say we are a republic country, freedom and justice. Free JJ Abreso ebesi ene. Ye disika e disika to the popular one aye ni na yenim eye wo yo me ye wo mai we mu e na cocaine e dani powder in the headquarters of police ye tumi anka wasem ye tumi for bia and serve the right of this country because ultimate one mesumeti wo to e kusu e wo Ghana. Manu onye Minister of Finance ni akase ebia omo mu ni mumra ni mumra bedino we ye Minister of Justice kire se odi mumra because answer you better position be at least you have a knowledge idea of you have been a landed person of that position and ya chisa ma we ye bisawo since 1992. From 1992 till this day, sika yera e wo manwe mu ntimi nkase Kofi Behema wedi bone na se ni koko gina asende bia ni mbuawo ana yan chiu antu yan take all your political right from you baby o mai na yetimu no sika ye ho na sika yira ye beti yen ye ti committee si obi a owiase open maya eti committee ye me shi cry ma breso ye si 80 million ayira Yenim se nipa ne pa o wi ade no enye obi a onipa na sika ne nam so no eye Kofi Mensah. Kofi Mensah ye ba approach Kofi Mensah no ni ya wan enye ye bete committee. What committee wan? Sika no ma